first unit is reproduction in organism. So as you can see, it is one of the most important characteristic of the life or living organism. Why we will call it most important? Because there are characteristics like nutrition, excretion, respiration. So all these activities the organism they do about their own. It is, but this reproduction is an activity in which they do it for the continuation of the race, generation after generation. That's why it is called most important. Okay? So it is defined as the ability of living organism to produce more organism exactly like themselves. Okay? I can explain you by the example of amoeba. This is the most simple organism in this is amoeba. So how it reproduces like this? Before reproduction, it stores food material and it is the nucleus enlarges. And before the first step is the nucleus elongates. Okay? And in the third step, it becomes dumbbell shape. And finally, they split into two. So for mother cell, split into two daughter cells. This is more simple, known as binary fission. For amoeba undergoing binary fission. So even the simplest organism know how to reproduce, the importance of reproduction. Okay? So after this we come to know when we go up we can there are different modes of reproduction. Okay? We go in high plants, animals. These basically they are the three modes of reproduction: asexual, vegetative, sexual. So asexual reproduction takes place by means of spores. The spores may be non-motile, which is called aplanal spore, and maybe motile, provided with the flagella, which is called as spores. So the spores is the reproductive unit of asexual reproduction. Okay? Now come to the sexual reproduction, in which there is a fusion of male and female gametes. So here the unit of reproduction is gametes, male and female. They fuse, then sexual reproduction is takes place. And lastly, we come to the vegetative. It is exclusively for the plants. It takes place by plant parts, any part, maybe leaf, root, part of any. So it's known as reproductive unit is propagules. So it takes place in two ways: by natural method and by artificial method. By natural method, which we take place by budding, bulbils, and fermentation. And there are many more methods. Just to have it all, I must tell you, there are many more methods. These are the then artificial method. In class 10 we have already studied cutting and grafting, and layering is there, and one more is there, micropropagation. Okay? So while dealing with this chapter, we will separately deal with asexual, vegetative, and sexual reproduction and their comparative account. So in this way, I will give you a general idea about the three types of reproduction which take place in living organisms. Okay? Now, last but not the least, let us talk about the significance of reproduction. Okay? Point number one, living organism increases in their number through reproduction. Of course, it is this process through which they increase in number. Okay? And through number two, through reproduction, they maintain the race and continuity of the generation. They are maintaining the race and generation. And third point is, through this process, the balance of living world is maintained. Of course, all the living world, all the organism has got some importance. So there is a balance between the living organism, so producer, consumer. So if anybody, any living organism is unable to reproduce, the balance is disturbed. So therefore, the fourth point is, the existence of living organisms in the earth will be endangered if they are incapable of reproducing new ones, है ना? इसकी जिंदगी खतरे में पड़ जाएगी और अगर ये सारी उसमें खो गई तो इसलिए all the living organisms must reproduce. यानी it is a purpose of life to reproduction. Then last but not the least, due to the sexual reproduction, accumulation of new characters take place in the progenies and thereby variation occur in the species. In the sexual reproduction, there is a fusion of male and female gamete. So there is, of course, there is a variation among the species, and some resemble the female parent, some resemble the male parent, so or some of them the intermediate between the male and female parents. So this type of variation has been evolution of new species. So and recently you can see that the coronavirus is a result of that. It is a creation of that. It is a new evolution of new virus, or it is similar to influenza virus. It is more pandemic situation arises due to the coronavirus. Here is the importance. So we can say the reproduction is very important. The next lecture we start with the asexual reproduction in details. Okay.